Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube and welcome back to the channel. And Jordan, do you ever just get cravings for those crispy, cheesy chili bites?
Yeah.
Oh guys, they're so good. I do too, and if you do as well, you've come to the right place. We're going to show you how to make the most delicious, golden, crispy chili cheese bites, and they're 10 times better than the ones you buy in the supermarket. This one's really simple, guys. We need some cream cheese, some mozzarella, the one that pulls. Some mozzarella, some cheddar. I've gone for strength 3. Put in strength 4 if you want, but it will obviously make the taste a lot more cheddary. We're gonna use some Frank's hot sauce in there, which I love. Frankfurt hot original sauce, beautiful. So let's get going, guys. I need my cream cheese. Oh, look at these as well. Beautiful chilies. So we've got the nice vibrant green, and also we've got the lovely jalapenos. You know, the kind of things that you get on top of your pizza. So the green chilies give it a bit of bite because they're raw. No seeds at all because that's too spicy. You don't want to kill yourself the next day, eh? So green chilies give that beautiful bite and crunch, and the jalapenos, because they're pickled, you know, the ones you get in the jar, they have a nice, beautiful pickled taste. It's not so harsh, the heat from a jalapeno. But that, with the hot sauce, the green chilies in there with the cheese, deep fried in breadcrumbs, whoa, guys, I am telling you now, this is one naughty little dish. Full fat on the cream cheese, make sure it's not low fat, it just doesn't work. Cream cheese in, guys, I'm gonna put about half of the tub for the moment. Well, actually, let's go 3/4, I think. Oh yeah. Look at that. I knew I got a second spoon out for a reason, and that was the reason. Sushi salt. Ooh, pepper beet. Now it's time for the magic to happen. The spiciness time. Let's play some Mexican music. Green chilies in. We're gonna put about half of these in for the moment. You can always add, but you can never take away, my mum used to say. Is that right, Jordan?
Yeah.
Jalapenos in. Frank's red hot sauce in. Oh, that looks so colourful now. Mozzarella. Lovely. Mozzarella in. Cheddar cheese in. So now we're going to just give that a beat up, and we're going to have to get our hands in here in a minute, guys. But let's just give it a quick beaten up. Almost like a paste-like consistency. And there she is, guys. And now it's time to get our hands dirty. Right, guys, come on then. It helps if you have gloves, but if you don't, just do it the good old-fashioned way. Bit of water on your hands really helps. So get in there and make them into little golf ball size. You don't want them too big because you are going to be breadcrumbing these. Once you get it into your hands as well, obviously the cream cheese warms up a little bit. They tend to be a bit more malleable. So you can just chuck them around like that. See, and you can just form them into little balls. If you do get stuck, guys, just put some more water on your hands, just get them a little bit wet, and then you can move the balls around a bit easier. That sounds wrong, doesn't it? Quick wash of the hands there because that was pretty messy. So, Aunt Bessie. So we're gonna pop these now into the freezer, just like that, for about an hour, just so they firm up, so we can get them into the breadcrumbs and into that deep fat fryer.
Ooh. Get them right crispy.
There we go, guys. It's been about just about an hour, and they're not super hard, but they've hardened up now, so they're much easier to work with. Welcome to the breading station. My name is Carol Borderman. Here we are. We're gonna go seasoned flour, free-range egg, beautiful southern style seasoned panko breadcrumbs. Then back into the fridge with a bit of cling film on top for about half an hour, and then we're gonna deep fry them at about 160 degrees Celsius, maybe 170 if you're feeling a bit cheeky. Lovely balls, and again a bit messy this one, guys, but definitely good. Get some beautiful flour on there, and then try and use a different hand if you can into the egg. Drop it into there, back to your other hand, beautiful seasoned breadcrumbs, and just get them all over there like that, guys. Roll it around. There we go. Number 1 done, and just repeat the process. So seasoned flour, get that on there. Let's go to our egg hand. Beautiful free-range egg wash. Glamorous, isn't it, Jordan? And then into the seasoned panko breadcrumbs. You might have to have a bit of a hand washing break after you do a couple, but it depends how much you can avoid the egg getting into stuff. That's the bit that causes the problem. Oh yeah. I've made a bit of a mess, But we've got our beautiful breadcrumbs chili cheese balls now. They've evolved from bites to balls. These are some nice big ones. I reckon 2 per starter maybe. So now before we fry these, very important, we're going to pop them in the fridge for about half an hour just to set. If you wanted to, you could freeze these now and they would last for months. When you cook them, you just cook them for a little bit longer. But these fresh ones, they will literally fry in a couple of minutes. Okay guys, so the balls have been in the fridge now. They've cooled down.
Right, nice.
Ooh la la.
Play the Mexican music. Oh yeah. We're going to deep fry these now, guys, at 160. You'll know when they're done because they'll start floating to the top. We're going to go probably, let's see. Oh.
I think you could do 3.
I think we might be able to get away with 3, guys. Just make sure they're all nice and separated. Oh yeah. I love that sound of deep frying, do you?
Yeah.
I think we might go attempt a little flip on the balls. Just watch the old fingers. Well, that one's going crazy. We're starting to crisp up and become golden, okay? So I just did one more little flip. These are nearly ready to come out now. Very importantly as well, once they come out, you need to let them just sit down for a bit because they're going to be like absolutely crazy hot. And if you bite into them straight out of that oil, probably going to get 1st-degree burns on your mouth. Let's get these out of here now. Holy mackerel. Oh yeah. This one's had a bit of escapage of cheese, but she looks beautiful. Oh baby. I'm just going to set aside our oil for 1 second. Oh guys, look at these. Wow. Amazing. Just salt these now. And then over here, Jordan, please. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful, guys. We're just going to sprinkle over a little bit of chopped fresh coriander, just for the colour. Some fresh green chilies. And we're going to serve this with a cheeky little wedge of lime, a little dipping sauce. Now, I always get this wrong, so I'm going to be really careful because I get it all over the sides. Just a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. Happy days, guys. Happy days. Let's have a little taste. First things first, that's not a fork. Take 2. Listen. Oh, Jesus Christ. Let's go with a bit of Frank's. Oh wow. Oh my God. Literally, that's crazy. That you can taste the cheddar, you get that kick from the chili, crunchiness from the breadcrumbs, that little bit of Frank's hot sauce kick as well. And the jalapenos, you can just taste the fruitiness of the jalapenos. Wow, guys, that is amazing. Like I said, we make videos every week, and we will see you next week.